Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Before we get started,
Click
that subscribe button
that subscribe button
and turn on notifications so you can be part of our squad. And today we're going to be doing, what are we going to be doing, Jacob?
So we're going to be doing
A review of all your cars, right?
a review of my cars.
Yeah. So let's get started. So you're going to put your finger on the one that you're going to start with, this one, and you're going to go all the way to that black one over there. Okay?
A black one over there?
Yeah. So you're going to put your finger on it and say its name, okay? Start. This is so hard. Just name him. He's going to name some of these guys.
I think I am. The original Halloween 66 McQueen.
Okay, next.
Okay.
I'm not going to say next. You just go to the next one.
Fired.
Next. Jacob.
Candy Flame.
Kitty Flames.
Kitty Flame.
Next.
Tormentor.
Next.
Sheriff.
Let me get the bear.
Red.
Red is the fire truck.
Goldie.
Yes.
Skull. Shiny. Luigi.
Black Midnight.
Black Midnight.
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 No, you didn't use this one. Oh, sorry, let me put the Razor. Next. Nope. Go down.
Lightning McQueen.
Jacob, I can't see you. But okay, go ahead.
Lightning McQueen.
Okay, next.
Buckberry.
Next.
Snotty. Shasta with a filter.
Chester Waffle Filter.
Chester with a filter. Jackson Storm. Jackie Post. Rich Yardley. Ramirez.
Okay, next. Go up.
2017 Racer Lightning McQueen.
Go. Keep going.
Sally. Fillmore. Phil Thompson. Cal Letters. Tommy Hybrids.
Jacob, what's his name? It is Scorpion.
Original Luigi.
Okay.
Up.
No.
What?
Next one.
Which one?
Oh, yay. Sorry, guys. It's so hard for him. Just go on this row again.
This row. This row?
Yeah, just go on the same row.
The same row.
Just keep going. Jaco. Keep going. So we've already done red. So we're going to go over here and start with this yellow truck.
SpongeBob.
Yeah, that's SpongeBob. Good job.
The King. So Lightning McQueen. Storm like classic Lightning McQueen.
Next.
Ramon.
Just keep going.
Rex Revor. Ralph Carla. Ponty Wipeout.
Good job.
Doug Flyman. Later. Doc Hudson.
Keep going. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you can just name him. Some of his Hot Wheels don't have a name. Just name him. You can go like yellowish, sun.
Sun.
Sunny?
Yeah.
That's better.
Rocket Man.
Rocket.
Whoa.
Jacob, move your hands. Move your hands. They can't see.
Chip Hicks. Original King. Original King.
Okay, guys, let me show you.
Fireworks.
That one
Fireworks.
is kicks. Where are you? Where are you on?
This blue car.
Next.
Snoopy.
SpongeBob trailer.
SpongeBob Hopper Trailer.
No, SpongeBob trailer.
SpongeBob Trailer.
The last row. Jacob, name the black one. Just name it.
Moon. I know.
Dino.
Dino. Lightning McQueen.
No, move your hand on the other side.
Motion.
No. Let me show you this. X-motion. Yeah, there you go. Better like that. That one's X motion. Next. Guys, I'm so sorry. This is so bad.
Original Chick Hicks.
This is so much better.
The Flash.
Mm-hmm.
Circa 15.
Surfer dude.
Surfer.
Dude.
Surfer dude.
Baseball.
Baseball.
He has a name.
Yeah, I think it is.
You don't remember it?
No.
Look on the side of it. Here, guys, I gotta. Danny. Jacob. It's the monster. What's his name? Yeah.
Stripe.
Stripey.
Stripe.
Nice.
Another 2018 Chick Hicks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it has a head.
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Wars. Star Wars. Cement. Okay, next. Guys, we're so bad. Titanic.
Titanic.
Good.
The Ice Creamer.
Ice Screamer.
Ice Creamer.
Mm-hmm. Go on. Guys, I'm on a bunk bed, and this is so hard to get this view, so I'm sorry if this is bad.
Faster Cardian.
Mm-hmm.
Rosie.
Regular Cruise.
Regular Cruise. RV.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's all of Jacob's cars. Jacob, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Wave. Say bye, guys, and wave at the camera.
Bye, guys. Only we had to. only race cars have to race.
Yeah, the race cars have to race.
Yeah.
Okay.